So today during the workshop, we talked about gender equality and how it affects people on campus in their lives daily, and as an international spectrum as well. We talked about some of the concerns that people have, some of the fears that they have talking about this open dialogue and this conversation.
This is a safe space for everybody to talk and share how they feel about gender equality and the movement of HeForShe.
These conversations about gender equality, gender equity are important for students, for staff. We talked about some people's fears and concerns about discussing these things.
We talked about how important it is to be an ally to other people just by facilitating this dialogue and having an open conversation about how important gender equality is.
It really does impact every single person, and discussions like these don't only help women, it helps men, and it helps people of all genders.
I think having discussions about gender equality is important to raise awareness and allow people to raise concerns about gender equality.
I feel that gender equality is extremely important in all aspects of life, whether it's business, personal. Being able to stand next to somebody who may not be the same gender as you and understand that you're both equal is crucial to improving our world and improving everybody's well-being.
We should stand for gender equality because all genders are important. It doesn't matter who you are or who you identify as.
As a recent grad and someone who works at the university, I'm just so impressed with these students and the things that they're talking about, and that they really value gender equality and gender equity.
Every time I come to a workshop like this, I always leave with a different perspective, and I understand that not everyone has the same opinion, and that's okay. We can come up with solutions and ideas that are innovative and that can really include as many people as possible.
I'm standing up for my family and friends.
I'm standing up to improve our community.
I'm standing up to break down stereotypes.
I'm standing up
for equal pay,
to break down barriers,
for women in the workforce,
for women in STEM,
to improve inclusion on campus,
for equal opportunity.
I'm standing up for gender equality.